हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक एवरीबॉडी। और इस वीक हम लोग थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल ग्लिच फेस कर रहे थे। उसके चक्कर में आपने देखा होगा कि हमारे जो मॉर्निंग अपडेट्स आते हैं उसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत वीडियो में इशू था। बट एनी हाउ अब चीजें थोड़ी ठीक हो गई हैं। और लास्ट वीक हमने वीकली राउंड अप नहीं किया था बिकॉज एके वाज बिजी, ही वाज इन बर्लिन। वो अपनी मैराथन कंप्लीट कर रहे थे। और कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा मैराथन वाला सीन मार्केट में भी होता हुआ दिख रहा है। तो चलिए, विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच ऑफ टाइम, हम कनेक्ट करते हैं एके से और उनसे समझते हैं कि पहला उनका मैराथन कैसा था और दूसरा ये जो मार्केट मैराथन कर रहा है इसमें क्या होने वाला है। तो लेट्स ब्रिंग हिम इन। हाय, गुड इवनिंग अंकित, हाउ आर यू एंड हाउ वाज योर मैराथन?
Good evening, good evening. Hi, Rachit. I'm fine. I'm doing well. Yep, the marathon was good, very good. Uh, it was a very different experience, very great experience too. It's always good to finish, a marathon. 42 kilometers is a lot of distance to run. So
But
yeah.
must be tiring, isn't it?
Yes, yes. In fact, beyond a point, after 3.5 hours, it gets a little, the fatigue sets in.
Right.
Uh, but somehow मार्केट्स को कोई फटीक नहीं आ रहा है, तो वो एक कॉज ऑफ कंसर्न बोल सकते हैं, कि किसी भी लेवल पे फटीक नहीं आ रहा है. और लिक्विडिटी इज द काइंड ऑफ फ्यूल दैट इट इज being pumped in at all times, and the markets are just they are running a marathon of their own. So, so yeah, you're right. So I couldn't connect last week because
Mhm.
obviously of the difference in time zone, and obviously I was away. I was not following so closely.
Okay.
But now that I'm back only yesterday, and
Hmm.
I had fair go through of what happened in the time I was not there. And yeah, I'm in a position to connect with everybody and give in my comments, give in my two bits, share my understanding of what has happened basically. सो या सो रचित, जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो जो हमने किया था, लास्ट टू लास्ट फ्राइडे था, तो
Hmm.
जैसे हमने उस समय बोला था मार्केट्स वर ऑन अ रोल, ऑन अ हाई.
Right.
If you remember, I did tell you not to short. As always I say,
Right.
शॉर्ट करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. मार्केट अच्छा है and everything. Liquidity was so strong.
Mm-hmm.
FIF had just turned positive into
Hmm.
buying. Okay. I also sounded a strong, strong warning about not to rely on movement triggered by FII buying or selling. वो उसकी थोड़ी क्या डिपेंडेबिलिटी इतनी ज्यादा हाई नहीं होती है उस मूवमेंट की. एंड व्हेन यू लुक एट दीज 2 weeks इन द हाइंडसाइट,
Mm-hmm.
it kinds of proves what I've been saying. Week one, I'll just quickly go through because it's a old thing to say. Went all the way up. I left India, and the next day I'm getting updates of 26,000 plus, and then closing about 25,900, all of that. So so obviously the strength continued in the
Right.
whole week. Closed the week at 26,235, which was the life high. Again, ऐसी week closing पे nobody would expect that the following week will see the aftermath.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody would expect, and I believe uh, ये जो हमने इस वीक में देखा है, ये
Mm-hmm.
इतना इतना बुरा करेक्शन नहीं होता unless if it wasn't for the tensions in the Middle East.
Right.
Yeah, so geopolitical tensions is something that nobody knows the end of it. It produces a lot of uncertainty, and the impact on the market, whether it's India or America or anywhere in the world, the impact can be spiraled,
Mm-hmm.
can be long reaching. You don't know कब तक impact रहेगा इसका, किस हद तक रहेगा. आपको पता नहीं है, ये जियोपॉलिटिकल टेंशन इज सच अ थिंग, एंड ऑल्सो द सिचुएशन, यू नो, Israel has attacked and killed Hezbollah leader last week, and it is further attacking, the Syria and Lebanon border area.
Right.
So that area is obviously in high tension. ये एक अटैक में लिमिटेड रहेगा कि ये फर्दर एस्केलेट होगा, वो रिटेलिएट करेंगे? सो all of this all of this produces a lot of uncertainty for markets, and what markets hate is uncertainty.
Right.
क्या है, जिस तरह से हमने पिछले वीक में स्ट्रॉन्ग एफआई बाइंग देखी, 7,500 करोड़ एक दिन देखा, 11,000 करोड़ एक दिन देखा एफआई का फिगर, उसी हिसाब से आप इस वीक में देख लीजिए yesterday's फिगर. आई हैड जस्ट लैंडेड yesterday. When I came to office it was midday, and just yesterday's figure was close to 15,000 crores FI selling.
Right. That's insane.
हाँ, तो अगर आप देखिए वो ग्राफ, एक वीक ऐसे गया है, दूसरी वीक ऐसे गया है. एट द एंड इफ यू सी 2 वीक्स इन टोटलिटी, हम जहां थे 2 वीक पहले वहीं खड़े हुए हैं, जिसमें बीच में 1,000
Right.
पॉइंट ऊपर जाके नीचे, 1,000 पॉइंट नीचे आया है. और वो किस बेसिस पे हुआ है कि अपना एफ आई एस हैव बॉट टू द ट्यून ऑफ 15, 17, 18,000 crores in 1 week, and they have sold to the tune of that much only in the next week. Okay, this I am saying just on the basis of fund movement, not
Right.
on the basis of anything that is related to fundamentals of the economy or anything. Okay, तो हमने मतलब if I say that please do not read too much into 8,000, 10,000 crores of FI buying, then I will also say please do not read too much into 10,000, 15,000 crores of panic selling.
So nothing alarming as such. Is that what you're trying to say? That
I have my concerns. I will spell it out also. But ये जो movement गया है ना, ये panic है. ये movement कुछ it is not based on something which is of concern. मतलब specifically to Indian economy or Indian markets कोई concern की बात नहीं है. It is not based on something like, it is a trigger. It's a triggered kind of a movement. So what we have seen in this week is mostly all triggers. Okay, now for the alarming bit that I'm talking about. If you remember, 2 weeks back, I had mentioned that Nifty ने अब एक strong support बना लिया है. 25,100, 120 का लेवल 2 बार 3 बार टेस्ट करके निफ्टी ऊपर चला गया था 26,000 तक. अब वो कल तक तो ठीक था, बट in spite of everything, today we have given a closing under that level.
Right.
Yeah. So technically, this becomes a kind of a sell zone.
Okay.
Only technically, if you see
on chartical patterns that we.
हाँ जी.
Right.
अगर आप मूविंग एवरेज 50 डेज का भी लें तो वो नीचे है काफी. स्ट्रेंथ इंडेक्स भी देखें तो उस हिसाब से भी सेल बन रहा है.
Right.
Under 25,100, 120 range, market sell में बन रहा है. So that is my cause of concern. My cause of concern, another thing is VIX. The VIX जो over the period properly even at 25,000 Nifty 12 पे सेटल हो गया था, वो धीरे धीरे अब वापस 15 की तरफ चला गया है.
Right.
In fact, this week it touched a high of about 14.5 almost. So this is again one cause of concern. These two things are there. Okay. Up now going for the week forward.
Right.
Monday crucial है. आज की क्लोजिंग के हिसाब से मेरे को मंडे शायद गैप डाउन हो सकता है.
Okay.
By Wednesday, Thursday, we are expecting our first set of results, corporate results. Again, as mentioned before in the previous video, I expect, as per advanced tax numbers, I expect this quarter to be better than last quarter. It may not be as good as quarter on quarter if you see year to year, but Q1 से better हो. Okay.
So that will give a fuel to the market to.
Yes, that should give a fuel to the market. Secondly, fuel, अगर आप देखें कल का 15,000 करोड़ का जो FII फिगर है, उसके
हम्म,
अगेंस्ट 12-13,000 करोड़ का DIA का बाइंग फिगर भी है।
राइट।
तो द स्टॉक्स विच आर हैवी वेट, ICICI, HDFC, स्टेट बैंक, रिलायंस, ये जो जो 2-3-4% नीचे गिरे हैं,
हम्म।
ये सब में हैवी बाइंग भी देखी गई है। सो if we are in a position to absorb that kind of sell off, that kind of
हम्म।
panic, so we need not worry so much.
Ankit, in this, I would have a question in my mind. What would be the right bottom wherein you think that that would be the point wherein यहाँ से नीचे market और ज़्यादा नहीं दिख रहा है as of now when we check the technicals,
मेरे
because
को
you're quite good at it and you're monitoring it. So is there any specific point where we see that this would be the bottom of the market
मेरे को
for
मेरे
some
को
time?
ऑनेस्टली ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, रचित, मेरे को एट the idea of bottom fishing
Hmm.
is kind of a dangerous one. You will never get the bottom or the top.
Right.
As a trader or even as an investor, you will never get the bottom or the top. If if one was confident at 26,000 level Nifty, that
Hmm.
अभी तो लिक्विडिटी है, अभी 27,000 जाएगा, 28,000 चला जाएगा दिवाली तक, अगर आपका वो माइंडसेट था,
Hmm.
तो 1,200 पॉइंट नीचे आपका ये माइंडसेट नहीं हो सकता कि बाजार नीचे जाएगा। एक बहुत सिंपल चीज है। आज ठीक है, आप ये बोल सकते हो कि 26,000 या 26,200 पे आपको रिलायंस महंगा लग रहा है या इंफोसिस महंगा लग रहा है, HDFC 1,750 के ऊपर है, नहीं लेना है। अब ये सब चीज 5-5% नीचे है तो लीजिए, क्यों नहीं ले रहे?
So this is your opportunity, like
दिस इज,
all
यस
well
यस,
done this,
आई सी दिस एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी। मैं अभी
right?
तक इस चीज में कन्विंस नहीं हूं कि ये पूरा गेम चेंजर इवेंट है। ओके, हाँ, रही बात बॉटम की, लाइक आई सेड, 25,100 120 के बीच में मैं एक टेक्निकल सपोर्ट जोन देख रहा था, जो टूट के
Hmm.
बंद हुआ है। तो अगला सपोर्ट जोन तक मैं फ्री फॉल एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूँ, मैं गैप डाउन भी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूँ अगला सपोर्ट जोन। ये वीकेंड है, अभी सैटरडे संडे मार्केट्स खुले नहीं है।
Hmm.
कल को मिडिल ईस्ट में कुछ भी एस्केलेशन हो जाती है, तो
Hmm.
मंडे 300-400 पॉइंट का गैप अप कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। So I do not rule that out, because we are living with a lot of uncertainty right now.
So in that case, uncertainty would be the name of the game. And
Yes.
this week, everything is uncertain and nothing is that easily. We cannot predict anything that easy because it's not in our hands, and the technicals might behave in a weird manner just because the Middle East and the countries over there are behaving in a weird manner.
Absolutely,
But
absolutely.
then the long term story is still intact. We don't see, as you said, it's not a game changer, so we
It's
don't
not a
see
game.
any big that kind of a trend change. We are still in a bull market. It's merely a 4.5 to 5% correction that we have seen. So
Yes,
nothing
yes.
to worry as such. Investors should do the bottom fishing, and they should invest into the stocks they feel they are right. Traders should have a very cautious approach till the time the weird behavior.
I
Yeah.
I would I would I would
Sorry.
assume that if you're a trader in this kind of market, first of all, congratulations, you really have the guts. Uh, secondly, if you are a trader, two things I would want to say. First, do not go into an expiry day or a weekend with a lot of position. जितना काट सकते हैं काटिए. Do not go into a midweek holiday with overnight positions. जितना काट सकते हैं काटिए. Secondly, do not jump nose dive on Monday at beginning at 9:15 a.m. Do not do that, because what happens during the weekend and what happens in the uh, first half of Monday is all kind of levelizing, factoring in. Let the market take its course. Let the markets decide its course for the week. आधा दिन आप देखिए, ऑब्जर्व करिए, उसके बाद अपना एक कॉल लीजिए। आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स अ वेरी वॉलेटाइल मार्केट। अगर यू नो इफ यू प्ले योर बेट्स राइट, आपको पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव दोनों तरफ कमाने का मौका मिल जाएगा। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि कमाने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा, बट मैं रिस्क एस्पेक्ट से बोल रहा हूँ। डू नॉट डू समथिंग विच इज यू नो डाउनराइट एब्सोल्यूट रिस्की। मतलब ऑब्वियसली यू कैन, आज मंडे को अगर 200-300 पॉइंट गैप डाउन खुलता है, आप 9-15 पे ही माल उठा लेते हैं, तो ये सोचिए ये पूरा दिन बाकी है, अभी तो माल काट लेंगे क्या है। बट यू आर नॉट रियलाइजिंग दैट यू नो यूरोप नेगेटिव खुलता है, वो और 200 पॉइंट नीचे जाएगा, फिर बेयर्स सेलिंग ट्रिगर कर देंगे, शॉर्ट ट्रिगर
Like
हो
it happened
जाएंगे।
today. It happened today when the
यस,
markets
यस,
were up.
यस,
I
यस,
personally had a feeling that हाँ यही होता है, एक दिन टूटता है अगले दिन बढ़ता है. And I was just thinking about it. I was discussing over a phone call with somebody, and within next 15-20 minutes, half an hour, the entire story changed.
absolutely, absolutely. So so it's best to maybe let the first hour sink in, just observe नीचे जा रहा है ऊपर जा रहा है, then take an informed call. मतलब don't rush into things is what I would want to say.
Okay, so stay safe, stay light is something that I believe Ankit is predicting for the coming week. Investors need not worry, and I believe next week when we catch up again, Israel would be in a better position to guide us as to what we are planning to do, and then we will be in a better position to get the guidance from
Yeah,
your end. So I
yeah.
believe this is all that we have today. And as always, it was amazing talking to you.
Thank you.
And I'm pretty sure that the people, that the viewers who were sending me DMs as to where is the weekly roundup, they will be happy that finally Ankit is back and so is the weekly roundup. As
Yeah.
always, it was amazing talking to you. And
Thank you.
let's hope to catch up next week, wherein we get a clear idea and less of volatility. Uh,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you. It was
Okay.
nice talking. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend to you too. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.